Welcome to Animal a Day. 10 Seagull Facts. The Lazy Loudmouths. 1. Seagulls, also known simply as gulls, are a medium-sized bird with 54 species. 2. Seagulls are a global bird, with some living on every continent, including Antarctica. They tend to live near coastlines. 3. Seagulls are one of the few animals that are able to drink seawater. Excess salt is expelled through their nose. 4. They are one of the most populous bird species, with it being commonly thought that there are millions of them across the world. 5. They are considered very smart for their problem-solving capabilities, as well as some limited tool usage. 6. They are opportunistic omnivores, eating all manner of animals, plant matter, and human-produced food. It's not recommended to feed them human food, as it's not necessarily good for them, and they can become too dependent on it. 7. Seagulls are one of the bird species that mates for life. They lay about 3 eggs at a time on average. 8. They usually live in colonies of hundreds or thousands of birds, but they may live in smaller groups as well. 9. They can be long-lasting birds, as some have lived almost half a century. And 10. Seagulls have a tendency to insistently squawk. They do this for several reasons, including to warn each other about threats, to announce when food is spotted, and when they want something from each other, among other things. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily animal videos.